Hello crypto fans and welcome to this video. Today, we'll dive deep into how you can easily deposit funds into your Bingx account. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So grab a cup of coffee and get ready to learn everything you need to know about depositing on Bingx. Before we begin, let me remind you that if you haven't signed up for Bingx yet, you can do so using the referral code 911. This will give you a fantastic start on the platform. But don't worry, I'll also provide all the relevant links and contact information at the end of this video. Now, let's get started. Depositing on Bingx is a straightforward process, and the platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. The first step is to log into your Bingx account and navigate to the Assets section. Here, you'll find the Deposit option. Once you click on Deposit, you'll be presented with a list of all the cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies supported by Bingx. Select the asset you want to deposit, and the platform will generate a unique deposit address or provide you with the necessary banking details for fiat deposits. For cryptocurrency deposits, you'll need to copy the deposit address provided by Bingx and send your funds from your external wallet or another exchange to this address. It's crucial to double-check the address to ensure you're sending your funds to the correct destination. Any mistakes in the address could result in the permanent loss of your assets. It's also important to note that different cryptocurrencies may have different deposit networks or protocols. Bingx typically supports multiple networks for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum. Be sure to select the correct network when making your deposit to avoid any delays or potential issues. Once you've initiated the transfer from your external wallet or exchange, the funds should reflect in your Bingx account within a reasonable time frame depending on the blockchain network's confirmation times. For fiat deposits, Bingx supports various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and third-party payment processors like Simplex and Mercurio. The process for fiat deposits may vary depending on your location and the payment method you choose. If you opt for a bank transfer, Bingx will provide you with the necessary banking details, such as the account number and the beneficiary name. It's essential to include the correct reference or memo when making the transfer to ensure your deposit is credited to your Bingx account accurately. For credit, debit card deposits, or third-party payment processors, you'll typically be redirected to a secure payment gateway where you'll need to enter your card details or follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It's worth noting that fiat deposits may be subject to additional fees and processing times depending on the payment method and your location. Bingx provides detailed information on deposit fees and processing times for each payment method, so be sure to review this information before initiating your deposit. Once your fiat deposit is processed, the funds will be credited to your Bingx account, usually in the form of a stable coin like USD or BUSD, which you can then use to trade or invest in other cryptocurrencies on the platform. Bingx also offers a feature called Lightning Deposit, which allows you to instantly deposit cryptocurrencies without waiting for blockchain confirmations. This feature is particularly useful for traders who need to act quickly on market opportunities. However, it's important to note that Lightning deposits may be subject to additional fees and limits. In addition to the deposit process, Bingx provides robust security measures to protect your assets. The platform employs industry-standard encryption and cold storage for the majority of its digital assets, ensuring that your funds are kept safe and secure. Bingx also supports two-factor authentication to FA and other security features, such as IP whitelisting and withdrawal address management, to further enhance the security of your account. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to deposit funds into your Bingx account. Whether you're dealing with cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies, the process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible to both experienced traders and newcomers to the crypto world. Remember, if you haven't signed up for Bingx yet, use the referral code 911 to get a fantastic start on the platform. And don't forget, all the relevant links and contact information will be provided in the video description and pinned comment below. Happy trading, and may the crypto gods be with you.